Hello, and welcome to this short video where we'll be talking about kit management in the online asset management solution Hector. Kits can be used to group multiple assets together. Think of a kit as a container containing multiple components. A real-life example of a kit would be a toolbox containing various tools, or a bag containing a camera, a tripod, a microphone, and some accessories. Whenever the kit is moved and checked out, all assets found within the kit are moved at the same time. Let's start by creating a category where we'll be checking the kit option, and this will allow us to associate categories to kits. So I could come in and create a new category that I would simply name kit, or could be toolbox. And I would give it a code, tbox, and I would turn on part kit. I could also turn on asset tags if I want unique numbers for each of my kits. Once I hit save, the next thing we'll do, we'll go to our toolbox category, and we can go in and create a part directly from the category. On this screen, I'll be able to create some components for this part. What's important to know is during the part creation step, whatever components we add to our part is a model of what our final asset is going to look like. This can save you lots of time if you are planning on having multiple kits of the same kind in your inventory. So we'll go out and grab a default stock room, and we'll call this a red toolbox, and the model is going to be an ABC123. The rest of the information I can fill in, but what's really important for me in this step is to show you guys the components section. Again, this is going to be a model of what our asset is going to look like. So we're going to be staying at the category and part level for this kit. So I can go in and inside my red toolbox say I'm going to want a microphone in that red toolbox. So once I add my microphone, I can go in and add multiple items to my kit. I could add some cables, and I could say that I want 10 cables for this particular kit. And I could add some screws or any other kind of component within my red toolbox. Let's say I want some 5 boxes of screws. Once I've gone in my different categories and my different parts and selected my components for my part, I'm already ready to save this kit. So remember, this is going to be a red toolbox, and inside this red toolbox we're going to have a microphone, we're going to have 10 cables, and we're going to have 5 screws. If I save in view, I'll be already ready to go to the next step of my kit creation, and that is I can go in and directly create an asset for this part. So I can hit on the plus here and then do add asset. Once I'm on the new asset screen, I can see here that Hector automatically populated some components based on the model of my part. So if I navigate to the component section, I'm going to see my multimedia, my cables, as well as my screws ready to go. And all I have to do now is save in view, and I would essentially be creating my brand new red toolbox inside containing 3 different components. So let's do that. Save and view. Once I've saved, you're going to see I'm going to be on the asset kit card screen. And now I have 3 components found within my red toolbox: my screws, my cables, and my microphone. I could also go in and create an asset and choose to not use the model from the part and specify which components I want to add inside my red toolbox, manually choosing those components. So Hector here has automatically selected those 3 components, but I can come in here and get rid of those and then start to choose manually from my assets that I have in inventory and attach those to my toolbox. So I could come in and grab some microphones, computers, regardless what kind of asset or component I'm looking for, and manually build my kit. So I don't have to necessarily follow the part model. I could go out and grab different kinds of assets found within my inventory to build my kit. So had you created a part with no components, you would be required when creating an asset to go out and choose those components manually like we've just done here. And then if I save a new view, of course, I'm going to be able to see my kit as well as its component. And when I move this kit, whether it be to a user or if I loan it out to people using the loaner module, not only is the red toolbox being loaned, but all the components found within. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this one, subscribe to our channel and click on the like button. And thanks again for watching, and see you guys soon.